Namaste, pranams to everyone. Let us start with the Guru Vandanam. A warm welcome to everyone. Hardha Swagatam. Guru Vandanam. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje. Gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave. Na gurov paramam chishurasmi guroho. Matirasti gurau mama pahi guru. Let's quickly do a revision of the shlokas that we have learned till date, and then I will directly move on to the meanings and the practice by the attendees. Dhyanam. Before we start the Dhyanam, I request everyone to meditate and visualize Devi, Sri Devi. सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहां त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत् तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहां पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीं सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणान् ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम् अरुणाङ्करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अणिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानीम् ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायताक्षीं हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां करकलितलसद्धेम पद्मां वराङ्गीं सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीं श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीम् सकुङ्कुमविलेपनामलिकचुम्बिकस्तूरिकां समन्दहसिते क्षणां सशरचापपाशाङ्कुशाम् अशेषजनमोहिनीमरुणमाल्य भूषाम्बरां जपाकुसुमभासुरां जपविधौ स्मरेदम्बिकाम् श्रीमात्रे नमः। श्रीमाता श्रीमहाराज्ञी श्रीमत्सिंहासनेश्वरी चिदग्निकुण्डसम्भूता देवकार्यसमुद्यता बुद्ध्यद्भानुसहस्राभा चतुर्बाहुसमन्विता रागस्वरूपपाषाढ्या क्रोधाकाराङ्कुशोज्ज्वला मनोरूपेक्षुकोदण्डा पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका निजारुणप्रभापूरमज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला चम्पकाशोकपुन्नागसौगन्धिकलसत्कचा कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणीकनत्कोटीरमण्डिता अष्टमी चन्द्रविभ्राजदलिकस्थलशोभिता मुखचन्द्रकलङ्काभमृगनाभिविशेषका वदनस्मरमाङ्गल्यगृहतोरणचिल्लिका वक्त्रलक्ष्मीपरीवाहचलन्मीनाभलोचना नवचम्पकपुष्पाभनासा दण्डविराजिता ताराकान्तितिरस्कारि नासाभरणभासुरा कदम्बमञ्जरी क्लुप्तकर्णपूरमनोहरा ताटङ्कयुगलीभूततपनोडुपमण्डला पद्मरागशिलादर्शपरिभाविकपोलभूः नवविद्रुमबिम्बश्रीन्यक्कारिरदनच्छदा शुद्धविद्याङ्कुराकारद्विजपङ्क्तिद्वयोज्ज्वला कर्पूरवीटिकामोदसमाकर्षि दिगन्तरा निजसल्लापमाधुर्यविनिर्भर्त्सितकच्छपी मन्दस्मितप्रभापूरमज्जत्कामेशमानसा अनाकलितसादृश्यचिबुकश्रीविराजिता कामेशबद्धमाङ्गल्यसूत्रशोभितकन्धरा कनकाङ्गदकेयूरकमनीयभुजान्विता रत्नग्रैवेयचिन्ताकलोलमुक्ताफलान्विता कामेश्वरप्रेमरत्नमणिप्रतिपणस्तनी नाभ्यालवालरोमालिलताफलकुचद्वयी लक्ष्यरोमलताधारता समुन्नेयमध्यमा स्तनभारदलन्मध्यपट्टबन्धवलित्रया अरुणारुणकौसुम्भवस्त्रभास्वत्कटीतटी रत्नकिङ्किणिकारम्यरशनादामभूषिता कामेशज्ञातसौभाग्यमार्दवोरुद्वयान्विता माणिक्यमुकुटाकारजानुद्वयविराजिता इन्द्रगोपपरिक्षिप्तस्मरतूणाभजङ्घिका गूढगुल्फा कूर्मपृष्ठजयिष्णुप्रपदान्विता नखदीधितिसञ्छन्ननमज्जनतमो गुणा पदद्वयप्रभाजालपराकृतसरोरुहा सिञ्जानमणिमञ्जीरमण्डितश्रीपदाम्बुजा मरालीमन्दगमना महालावण्यशेबधिः सर्वारुणानवद्याङ्गी सर्वाभरणभूषिता शिवकामेश्वराङ्कस्था शिवा स्वाधीनवल्लभा सुमेरुमध्यशृङ्गस्था श्रीमन्नगरनायिका चिन्तामणिगृहान्तस्था पञ्चब्रह्मासनस्थिता महापद्माटवी संस्था कदम्बवनवासिनी सुधासागरमध्यस्था कामाक्षी कामदायिनी देवर्षिगणसङ्घातस्तूयमानात्मवैभवा भण्डासुरवधोद्युक्तशक्तिसेना समन्विता सम्पत्करी समारूढसिन्धुरव्रजसेविता अश्वारूढाधिष्ठिताश्वकोटिकोटिभिरावृता I request the panelists to repeat the verses once from here, once I chant. You can repeat only once. चक्रराजरथारूढसर्वायुधपरिष्कृता गेयचक्ररथारूढमन्त्रिणी परिसेविता
चक्रराजरथारूढ सर्वायुधपरिष्कृता गेयचक्ररथारूढमन्त्रिणी परिसेविता
गिरिचक्ररथारूढदण्डनाथा पुरस्कृता ज्वालामालिनिका क्षिप्तवह्निः प्राकारमध्यगा
गिरिचक्ररथारूढदण्डनाथा पुरस्कृता ज्वालामालिनिका क्षिप्तवह्निः प्राकारमध्यगा
भण्डसैन्यवधोद्युक्तशक्तिविक्रमहर्षिता नित्या पराक्रमाटोपनिरीक्षणसमुत्सुका
भण्डसैन्यवधोद्युक्तशक्तिविक्रमहर्षिता नित्या पराक्रमाटोपनिरीक्षणसमुत्सुका.
Okay, before I move to the next verse, just a quick check. I'm audible clearly, right, panelists? Okay. भण्डपुत्रवधोद्युक्तबाला विक्रमनन्दिता मन्त्रिण्यम्बा विरचितविषङ्गवधतोषिता
भण्डपुत्रवधोद्युक्तबाला विक्रमनन्दिता मन्त्रिण्यम्बा विरचितविषङ्गवधतोषिता
विशुक्रप्राणहरणवाराही वीर्यनन्दिता कामेश्वरमुखालोककल्पितश्रीगणेश्वरा
विशुक्रप्राणहरणवाराही वीर्यनन्दिता कामेश्वरमुखालोककल्पितश्रीगणेश्वरा
महागणेशनिर्भिन्नविघ्नयन्त्रप्रहर्षिता भण्डासुरेन्द्रनिर्मुक्तशस्त्रप्रत्यस्त्रवर्षिणी
महागणेशनिर्भिन्नविघ्नयन्त्रप्रहर्षिता भण्डासुरेन्द्रनिर्मुक्तशस्त्रप्रत्यस्त्रवर्षिणी
कराङ्गुलिनखोत्पन्ननारायणदशाकृतिः महापाशुपतास्त्राग्निनिर्दग्धासुरसैनिका
कराङ्गुलिनखोत्पन्ननारायणदशाकृतिः महापाशुपतास्त्राग्निनिर्दग्धासुरसैनिका
कामेश्वरास्त्रनिर्दग्धसभण्डासुरशून्यका ब्रह्मोपेन्द्रमहेन्द्रादिदेवसंस्तुतवैभवा
कामेश्वरास्त्रनिर्दग्धसभण्डासुरशून्यका ब्रह्मोपेन्द्रमहेन्द्रादिदेवसंस्तुतवैभवा.
Dhanyavadaha. Now let's quickly, I think we stopped at 33rd verse in the last class, right? Right. So we will quickly do the meanings from 26th verse. चक्रराजरथारूढसर्वायुधपरिष्कृता गेयचक्ररथारूढमन्त्रिणी परिसेविता चक्रराजरथा आरूढ sarvayudha parishkruta. So the one who is seated in a chariot. What is the name of the chariot? Chakra Raja. That the chariot is Chakra Raja. It is the Raja, the king of all the chakras. It can be even the Sri Chakra. So Chakra Raja Ratha Aruda. So one who is seated on the chariot which is named as Chakra Raja. and Sarvayudha Parishruta, surrounded by or equipped with all the ayudas, all the weapons. So we learnt about the weapons of Devi in the previous names, right? That is Ankusha, Pasha, Ikshu, Chapa, and Pushpabana. That is the elephant hook, noose, and the bow and the arrows, the Pushpabanas, the flower arrows. So here Chakraraja Ratharuda Sarvayudha Parishruta means one who is seated on the chariot, which is named as Chakraraja, which is the king of all the Rathas, and she is armed, she is equipped with all the weapons. Generally, when a warrior enters the chakra, the warrior will enter the chakra wearing or holding all the weapons. But in this case, the weapons, all these ayudhas, not only these, all kinds of ayudhas that Devi is having, will enter the ratha and is surrounding her, and then Devi enters. So, Chakra Raja Ratharuda Sarvayudha Parishkruta. So what it indicates is, if we remember the second name, Maharagni, Shri Mata, Shri Maharagni, she is the great empress. So where can a great empress be seated? On the Srimad Simhasana. And what kind of a chariot? Chakra Raja Ratha. So that is the chariot where Devi is seated. Geya Chakra Ratharuda. So there's another chariot called as Geya Chakra. That is Ratha means chariot. Geya Chakra is the name of that chariot. So, Geya Chakra Ratharudha Mantrini Parisevita. Who is the Mantrini Devi? This also we learnt in the previous names. Mantrini Devi is none other than Shamala Devi, and one who does the Mantra Lochana, who is the minister, who is the chief administrator or council or the minister for Bhagavati Devi. So, Shamala Devi is seated in this Geya Chakra Ratha, and Sri Devi is being attended by, worshipped by, or served by Shamala Devi. So, attended by Shamala Devi, who is the Mantrini Devi, whose other name is Mantrini, who is the minister of Devi. She is in this chariot which is called as Geya Chakra. So, Geya also means song. So, this chakra is called as this chariot is called as the chariot of songs or music. So, when it moves, it makes some musical notes or sounds. So, and in this Ratha, we have Mantrini. So, Mantrini Parisevita. She is served by Mantrini Devi, that is Shamala Devi. That Shamala Devi is seated in this Geya Chakra. So, the meaning of this verse is one who is served or attended by Mantrini Shamala Devi, who is in turn riding the chariot by name Geya Chakra. It is said that actually the Dhanurveda, which is that Veda was made into bow and arrows and given to Sri Devi. So, and the Shamala Devi is seen to be carrying generally the veena and the pariat. So that is the form of Shamala Devi. The next one. किरिचक्ररथारूढदण्डनाथा पुरस्कृता ज्वालामालिनिकाक्षिप्तवह्निः प्राकार मध्यगा. So here we have Kiri Chakra, another chariot by name Kiri Chakra. Kiri also means boar, the Varaha. So there is a chariot which is in the shape of the boar, that is Kiri Chakra. So the name of the chariot is Kiri Chakra. Arudha, one who is piloting it or who is in that, seated in that. So Kiri Chakra Ratharudha. Who is there in this Kiri Chakra? Dandanatha Devi. Who is Dandanatha Devi? This also we saw in the previous name. Dandanatha Devi is the chief of the army of Lalitambika, Sri Devi. So that is none other than goddess Varahi, Devi Varahi. So this name means one who is served or who is attended or driven by Dandanatha Devi, that is Varahi Devi, who is seated in the Kiri Chakra. So Bhagavati is served by Varahi, who is the chief of the army of Sri Devi, and this Varahi is seated in the chariot Kirichakra, and that Ratha is in the chariot is in the shape of the boar. That is why it is called as Kirichakra. Jwala Malini. Jwala Malini. There are around 15 Nitya Devis, it's called as. So the 14th Nitya Devi, the name of these are the Nitya Devis, they are called as Nitya Devis because they are Shashvata, they are immortal. So these Nitya Devis are surrounding the Devi, and the 14th Nitya Devi is Jwala Malini. Okay, so Jwala Malini ka akshipta. So that is one he means the fire. Prakara means the fort. So when the Bandasura, the war with the Bandasura was happening, Devi ordered Jwala Malini to create a prakara, a fort of fire. So that is what this is. Jwala Malinika Kshipta Vanhi Prakara Madhyaga. So one who is seated in the center. Madhyaga means one who is seated in the center. Center of what? Vanhi Prakara, the fire fortress. And who has created this fire fortress? Jwala Malini. So Jwala Malinika Kshipta Vanhi Prakara Madhyaga. So I spoke about the 15 Nitya Devis. I'll come to it in the next verse again. So for now, it is the Kirichakra is driven by Dandanatha, that is the Devi Varahi, and she is serving Sri Devi as the chief of the army. And then we have Jwala Malini, who has created this fire, that is a fortress of fire, and in the center of that, Devi is seated. So let's move to the next one. भण्डसैन्यवधोद्युक्तशक्तिविक्रमहर्षिता नित्या पराक्रमाटोपनिरीक्षणसमुत्सुका. So, Bhanda Sainya, the army of Bhandasura. Vadha Udyukta. Vadha means to destroy, to slay, to kill. So, Bhanda Sainya Vadha, to kill the army of Bhandasura. Udyukta, ready, prepared. Shakti Vikrama Harshita. Shakti means all the Shakti Devatas. Vikrama, the valor of these Shakti Devatas. The Parakrama of these Shakti Devatas. Harshita, who is delighted, rejoiced. So, one who is delighted, looking at the valor of the Shakti Devis who are prepared to destroy the army of this Bandasura. So, who is delighted here? Sri Devi is delighted here. Why is she delighted? She is witnessing the preparedness or the Shakti of the Shakti Devas, the valor of the Shakti Devatas. She is delighted because the Shakti Devatas are prepared to destroy the army of Bhandasura. All these Shaktis are the creation of Devi herself. Nitya Parakrama, here Nityas means the 15 Nitya Devatas which I mentioned in the previous verse where I spoke about Jwala Malini. Nitya Parakrama means valor. Atopa means splendor, greatness, grandeur, we can say. The grand valor of these Nitya Devis, that is the 15 Nitya Devis. Nirikshana, having, observing, expecting, looking at. Nirikshana, Samutsuka. So, she holds the joy looking at the raising, the grand Parakrama, the valor of all these Nitya Devis. So, these 15 Nitya Devis are surrounding Sri Devi, and in the center is the 16th Mahanitya, that is Devi herself. They are called as Nitya Devis because they are Shashvata, they are immortal. So their names are respectively Kameshwari, Bhagamalini, Nityaklinna, Bherunda, Vanhivasini, Mahavajreshwari, Shivaduti, Twarita, Kulasundari, Nitya, Neelapataka, Vijaya, Sarvamangala, Jwala Malini, and Chitra. So if you see, 14th name is Jwala Malini. These Nitya Devis are surrounding Sri Devi, and in between we have Mahanitya, that is Devi herself. So Bhanda Sainya Vadhodyukta Shakti Vikrama Harshita means one who is delighted, looking at the valor, looking at the Parakrama Shakti of all the Shakti Devatas who are ready to slay the army of Bhandasura. Nitya Parakrama Topa Nirikshana Samutsuka means one who holds the joy, beholds the joy, looking at the, observing the increasing grand valor, Parakrama of the Nitya Devis, 15 Nitya Devis. Let's move to the next one. 29th. Bhandaputra Badhodyukta Bala Vikramanandita Mantrinyamba Virachita Vishangavadhatoshita. Bhandaputra Vadha Udyukta. Bhandaputra Vadha, the sons of Bhandasura. For slaying the sons of Bhandasura, Vadha Udyukta, ready to slay the sons of Bhandasura. Bala Vikrama Nandita. Here Bala refers to Bala Devi, Bala Tripura Sundari, who is the Devi herself in the form of the 9-year-old child, always a 9-year-old child. So, Sri Devi is filled with joy, is rejoicing at the Parakrama Shakti or valor of Bala Devi, that is Bala's Tripura Sundari, who is ready to slay the sons of Bhanda. So Bhandasura sends his sons, 30 sons, to the war with Devi, and Bala Devi wins over these 30 sons of Bhandasura. So if you look at the, let me just go back to the 28th verse. So here we spoke about 15 Nitya Devis, Nitya. Bhandasura's army had 15 generals and he sent 15 generals to fight with Devi. So all these 15 Nitya Devis fought with Bhandasura's army and won over them. Here Bala Devi, Tripura Sundari alone fought with the sons of Bhandasura, and having seen the valor of Bala Devi, Sri Devi is rejoicing. So the meaning of this name is one who rejoices at the Parakrama, valor of Bala Devi, who is ready to, Udyukta means ready to kill the sons of, destroy the sons of Bhandasura. Mantrini Amba Virachita. Mantrini Amba Virachita, that is Mother Mantrini. Who is Mother Mantrini? Shamala Devi. Mantrini Amba Virachita Vishanga Vadhatoshita. So, Bhandasura created two asuras called as Vishanga and Vishukra. Vishanga was created from the left shoulder and Vishukra from the right shoulder. So here first we are talking about the Vishanga in second line. Mantrin Yamba Virachita Vishanga Vadhatoshita. So Toshita means happy, very happy, delighted. So Devi is very happy. Toshita asti. She is very happy. By what? By the destruction of this Vishanga, by the Vadha of this Vishanga, who is created from the left shoulder of Bhandasura. Who slayed Vishanga? By, that is Mantrini Devi, Mother Mantrini, that is goddess Shamala Devi. So Mantrinyamba Virachita Vishanga Vadhatoshita. So one who is delighted by the destruction of Vishanga by Shamala Devi. Let's look at the next verse. Vishukra Prana Harana Varahi Viryanandita Kameshwara Mukhaloka Kalpita Shri Ganeshwara. So we spoke about Vishanga, the Asura, now the Vishukra, who was created from the right shoulder of Bhandasura. Vishukra Pranaharana, taking of the life of Vishukra, the Asura Vishukra. Who did this? Varahi. Varahi Virya Nandita. Nandita means again happy, delighted, rejoicing. So who is delighted? Sri Devi. So one who is rejoicing at the strength, Virya. Whose Virya? Varahi's Virya. One who is rejoicing at the strength of Varahi, who is the slayer of this Vishukra Asura. So here Devi is rejoicing, looking at the slaying or the strength. She's looking at the strength of Varahi Devi, who is the slayer of Vishukra Asura. Kameshwara Mukhaloka Kalpita Shri Ganeshwara. So what Bandasura did was, he created a yantra called as Vighna Yantra. Just hold on to this. So he created which is a mystic war device, you can call it as. So he created a Vighna Yantra. So let's come back to this name. Kameshwara Mukhaloka Kalpita Shri Ganeshwara. So Devi, just by her glance at the Kameshwara's face, looking at Kameshwara's face, Kalpita Shri Ganeshwara was generated by her glance towards Parameshwara, Kameshwara. So Kameshwara Mukhaloka Kalpita Shri Ganeshwara. So what does Ganesha do? We have the Ganesha festival approaching. He destroys all the Vighanas, obstacles. So Devi created Vigneshwara with a glance, Ganeshwara with her glance at Kameshwara. Let's move to the next verse. महागणेश निर्भिन्न विघ्नयन्त्र प्रहर्षिता भण्डासुरेन्द्र निर्मुक्त शस्त्र प्रत्यस्त्रवर्षिणी महागणेश निर्भिन्न विघ्नयन्त्र प्रहर्षिता. So Toshita, Praharshita, Nandita, all this means the same. Means she is delighted, she is rejoicing, happy. With what? Mahaganesha Nirbhinna Vignayantra. So Mahaganesha, who breaks all the obstacles, who is known for destroying the obstacles, he also broke the obstacles which was formed by this magic device or mystical device called as Vignayantra. So here what it means is one who is delighted at the incident of great Ganesha breaking the obstacles which were formed by the Vighna Yantra. This Vighna Yantra was made by Bhandasura. Bhandasurendra Nirmukta Shastra Pratyastra Varshini. Varshini means one who showers. What is that is being showered? Pratyastra. So Bhandasurendra Nirmukta. So Bhandasura is sending shastras, weapons. To counter those weapons, Devi is showering the missiles to counter the weapons which are thrown by Bhandasura. So this is two different. Shastra and Astra is different. Bhandasura is throwing the weapons. He's sending the weapons towards the Devi's army, and Devi in turn is showering the missiles, astras, towards Bhandasura. So what it can also mean is we have a lot of ego, attachment, wrongful attachment, ignorance, etc. And Devi from the distance itself, generally Shastras are used when the Yuddha is happening close by, is at a near distance. Astra is always can be sent, from the far, like missiles. So Devi from a distance itself, she can destroy all the bad qualities which are present in the devotees. So similarly, the Bhandasurendra Nirmukta Shastra. So she is showering the missiles as an answer, as a response to Bhandasura's astras. Karangulinakhotpanna Narayana Dashakritihi Mahapashupatasтрagni Nirdagdhasura Sainika. Kara and Anguli. Kara means hand, Anguli means fingers, Nakha means nails. Nakhat utpanna, from the nails. Karanguli Nakha utpanna. So Nakhat, from the nails of the fingers in the hands of Sri Devi. Narayana Dashakrutihi is formed. So the 10 incarnations of Narayana from the nails of the fingers of Devi. Mahapashupata, we have all heard of this Mahapashupata Astra, which is a very powerful missile. It is not a Shastra, it is an Astra. Mahapashupatastra-agni nirdagdhasura sainika. So, one who has burned the entire army of these asuras, daityas, demons with the fire from the missile. Which missile? Mahapashupata. So, Mahapashupatastra-agni nirdagdhasura sainika. Let's move to the 33rd verse. कामेश्वरास्त्र निर्दग्ध सभण्डासुरशून्यका ब्रह्मोपेन्द्र महेन्द्रादिदेव संस्तुत वैभवा. कामेश्वर अस्त्र निर्दग्ध सभण्डासुर शून्यका. Kameshwarastra is another astra. It's Kameshwarastra. It is again a very powerful missile or the astra. Nirdagdha, burnt. What all is burnt? Bhandasura Shunyaka. There is nothing left. Shunya means zero, nothing. Nil. So the entire army, the entire city of Bhandasura is burnt by this Kameshwarastra. So one who has burned the entire army of Bandasura by the fire of this very powerful missile, which is Kameshwarastra. That is Devi. Devi has burnt the entire army without any Shesha, without any remains. Brahmopendra, Brahma, Upendra, Mahendra. Brahma we know, Upendra means Vishnu, Mahendra means Indra. And other, Adi means other, and including other devas, suras, devatas. So Brahma, Upendra, Mahendradi, Deva, Samstuta, praised. Vaibhava. So one whose supreme power, divinity, is praised by Brahma, Vishnu, Indra, and other deities. So the meaning of these two names is one who has burnt the army of Bhandasura by the fire of the missile called as Kameshwara, and one who is praised by one whose supreme power, greatness, is praised by Brahma, Vishnu, Indra, and other devatas. So I request the attendees to raise hands for practicing. So there is a quick question on 33rd verse revision. I'll quickly chant once. I request the one of the panelists to chant once. Kameshwarastra nirdagdha sabhandasura shunyaka. Try.
कामेश्वरास्त्र निर्दग्ध सभण्डासुरशून्यका
ब्रह्मोपेन्द्र महेन्द्रादिदेव संस्तुत वैभवा.
ब्रह्मोपेन्द्र महेन्द्रादिदेव संस्तुत वैभवा.
Tamam. I'll call out the names. Anagha, 26th verse.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
Chakrarajaratharudha sarvayudha parishkruta geya chakraratharudha mantrini parisevita.
Tamam. Mekhala Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste. It's 27th.
Kirichakratharudha dandanatha puraskrita ज्वालामालिनिका क्षिप्तवह्नि प्राकारामध्यगा.
Can you chant the first line again once, please? Doesn't clear for me.
गिरिचक्ररथारूढदण्डनाथा पुरस्कृता ज्वालामालिनिका क्षिप्तवह्निः प्राकारमध्यगा
Uttamam, dhanyavadaha. Momanshi Giri, 28th verse, please. Momanshi Giri, I've unmuted you.
नमस्कार मैडम
Namaskaram, 28th verse.
भण्ड सैन्यवधोद्युक्त शक्ति विक्रमहर्षिता नित्या पराक्रमाटोपनिरीक्षण समुत्सुका
Okay. I'll chant once. You can repeat after me. Listen carefully where I am extending letter or where I am putting more effort, etc.
ओके
भण्ड सैन्यवधोद्युक्त शक्ति विक्रमहर्षिता
भण्ड सैन्यवधोद्युक्त शक्ति विक्रमहर्षिता
नित्या पराक्रमाटोपनिरीक्षण समुत्सुका
नित्या पराक्रमाटोपनिरीक्षण समुत्सुका
धन्यवादाः
धन्यवाद मैम
पूर्णा पद्मजा 29th verse
भण्डपुत्रवधोद्युक्तबाला विक्रमनन्दिता मन्त्रिण्यम्बा विरचितविषङ्गवधतोषिता
Uttamam. Can you chant the first line again with focus on this Vikramanandita?
भण्डपुत्रवधोद्युक्तबाला विक्रमनन्दिता
Correct. First I heard this ma as half ma. That is why I asked. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Thank you.
Pratibha Yoga, 30th verse.
जी राम राम
Ram Ram Ram.
विशुक्र प्राणहरण सॉरी फिर से। विशुक्र प्राणहरण वाराही वीर्यनन्दिता कामेश्वर मुखालोक कल्पित कामेश्वर मुखालोक कल्पित श्री गणेश्वरा
Can I chant once? Would you like to repeat after me?
यस प्लीज
विशुक्र प्राणहरण वाराही वीर्यनन्दिता
विशुक्र प्राणहरण वाराही वीर्यनन्दिता
विशुक्र प्राण
विशुक्र प्राण
Vishukra
हरण
prana, no, it's not. Vishukra prana is not correct. Vishukra prana kra purnakshara.
ओके ओ सॉरी विशुक्र प्राणहरण वाराही वीर्यनन्दिता कामे
Vishukra prana harana varahi viryanandita.
विशुक्र प्राणहरण वाराही वीर्यनन्दिता
You came close this time. Only thing is the next letter you need to put little bit stress. That's all. Kameshwara mukhaloka kalpita shri. Shamyata. कामेश्वरमुखालोककल्पितश्रीगणेश्वरा
कामेश्वर मुखालोक कल्पित श्री गणेश्वरा
कल्पिता श्री is not correct. कामेश्वरमुखालोककल्पितश्रीगणेश्वरा
कामेश्वर मुखालोक कल्पित श्री गणेश्वरा
Dhanyavadaha. Just remember, we should not extend this ra. It is ra. We should not say ra. Kameshwara. No. Kameshwara mukha. It should be immediate.
जी जी धन्यवादः
Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. Shashwati, 31st verse.
ମାନେ अव्ययौ କିଛି न तो आवर्ति बोल
I think I've unmuted you. Mint. Shashwati. Okay, let me move to the next person. VG
Ma'am.
iPhone.
Ma'am.
Is
Ma'am.
this Shashwati? Yes, Shashwati, go ahead. Can you chant this 30
Maha.
words?
Yes, ma'am. Mahaganesh Ma'am, would you tell I would like to repeat.
Oh, yes. महागणेश निर्भिन्न विघ्न यंत्र प्रहर्षिता
महागणेश निर्भिन्न विघ्न यंत्र प्रहर्षिता
भंडासुरेंद्र निर्मुक्त शस्त्र प्रत्यस्त्रवर्षिणी
बंदासुरेंद्र निर्मुक्त शास्त्र
Hold on, Shashwati. I will break and chant. Bhandasurendra nirmukta shastra pratyastravarshini.
बंडासुरेंद्र निर्मुक्त शास्त्र प्रत्यशस्त्रवर्षिणी
Bhandasurendra
बंडासुरेंद्र
निर्मुक्त शस्त्र
निर्मुक्त शस्त्र
प्रत्यस्त्रवर्षिणी
प्रत्यस्त्रवर्षिणी
तमं धन्यवादाः
धन्यवादाः
विजी भगिनी विजी iPhone
हरि ओम मैम
हरि ओम
करांगुलि नखोत्पन्न नारायण दशाकृतिः महापाशुपतास्त्रग्नि निर्दग्धासुरसैनिका
महापाशुपतास्त्राग्नि
महापाशुपतास्त्राग्नि निर्दग्धासुरसैनिका
करांगुलि नखोत्पन्न
करांगुलि नखोत्पन्न
नख ख महाप्राण
ओके नखोत्पन्न
धन्यवाद
करांगुलि नखोत्पन्न नारायण दशाकृतिः ओके
धन्यवादाः भगिनी
हरि ओम मैम
हरि ओम राधे 33rd verse Radhe, have unmuted you. Okay, I'll move to the next person.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Sorry.
33rd verse.
Yeah, Shri Matre Nama.
Srimate Namaha. 33rd verse. Kameshwarastra.
Kamesh. Ma'am, can I repeat with you?
Okay,
Sorry.
no problem. कामेश्वरास्त्र निर्दग्ध सभण्डासुरशून्यका
Kameshwarastra Nirdhaka.
I'll do one thing. I'll break and teach.
Yeah.
I mean, I will take a split after specific padam.
Sorry. Yeah.
No issues. It's a learning phase. That's fine. When we chant, we have to chant together. But for learning, I'm going to pause in between. Kameshwarastra
Kameshwarastra
nirdagdha
Nirdhakta
nirdagdha.
Nirdhakta.
The first ta in nirdagdha is alpa prana, less stress, less prana. The next, which is highlighted in green, right? That is mahaprana. Okay.
Yes.
Nirdagdha
Nirdhakta
sabhandasura
सबंडासुर
शून्यका
शून्यका
ब्रह्मोपेन्द्र
ब्रह्मोपेन्द्र
महेन्द्रादि
महेन्द्रादि
देव संस्तुत
देव संस्तुत
वैभवा.
वैभवा.
हाँ. So remember nirdagdha ni the, it is not the, it is the ga dha. Nirdagdha.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm?
Yes, yes. धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.
Yes.
Ashalatha, let me go back to Ashalatha Bhagini. I've unmuted you. 25th verse. Ashalatha Bhagini. Okay, I'll move to the next person. Pragati.
नमस्ते.
Namaste.
संपत्करी समारूढ़ सिंधूरव्रज सेविता अश्वारूढ़धिष्ठिताश्वकोटिकोटिभिरावृता.
Okay. Sindhurabraja and in koti 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 bhiravrita. I will chant once. Sampatkari samarudha sindhurabraja sevita.
संपत्करी समारूढ़ सिंधूरव्रज सेविता
Sindhurabraja sevita.
सिंधूरव्रज सेविता
Sindhurabraja sevita.
सिंधूरव्रज सेविता
Ashvarudhadhishthitaashva
अश्वारूढ़धिष्ठिताश्व
कोटि कोटि भिरावृता.
कोटिकोटिभिरावृता.
धन्यवादाः. सरस्वती 24th verse.
Namaste, ma'am.
नमस्ते.
देवर्षिगणसङ्गातस्तूयमानात्मवैभवा भण्डासुरवधोद्युक्तशक्ति सेना समन्विता.
तमं धन्यवादाः. शारदा अय्यप्पन् 23rd verse.
राम राम मैम.
राम राम राम. 23rd verse.
ओके मैम. श्रीमात्रे नमः. महाबत्माटवी संस्था कदम्बवनवासिनी सुधासागर मध्यस्था कामाक्षी कामदायिनी.
धन्यवादाः भगिनी. विनोदवर्तिनी राजलक्ष्मी भगिनी 22nd verse. विनोदवर्तिनी भगिनी.
Are you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I can.
सुमेरुमध्यशृङ्गस्था श्रीमन्नगरनायिका चिन्तामणिगृहान्धस्था पञ्चब्रह्मासनस्थिता.
Can you chant once again?
सुमेरुमध्यशृङ्गस्था श्रीमन्नगरनायिका चिन्तामणिगृहान्धस्था पञ्चब्रह्मासनस्थिता.
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 सुमेरुमध्यशृङ्गस्था.
सुमेरुमध्यशृङ्गस्था.
That shringana, that is sha, not sha, it is sha and not sa also. Sumerumadhyashringastha.
सुमेरुमध्यशृङ्गस्था. Right, ma'am?
Yeah. धन्यवादाः.
Okay, thank you.
सौम्या अमृता गणेश
Namaste, ma'am.
Soumya,
Am I audible?
you're able to hear me?
Yes. Am I audible?
21st verse. Yes, 21st verse.
सर्वारुणवद्यांगी सर्वाभरणभूषिता शिवकामेश्वराङ्गस्था शिवा स्वाधीनवल्लभा
सर्वारुणानवद्यांगी
सर्वारुणानवद्यांगी
correct. And in the second line,
सर्वाभरणभूषिता
in the second line, शिवकामेश्वराङ्कस्था.
शिवकामेश्वराङ्गस्था. Is it right?
Uttamam. That's correct. धन्यवादाः भगिनी.
धन्यवादः.
रेश्मा राधाकृष्णन्. Reshma Radhakrishnan, I've unmuted you. Okay, I'll move to the next person. Vishalakshi Bhagini.
Ma'am, hello.
Who's this? Reshma, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chant the 20th verse.
Okay, ma'am. Sinjanamani manjira mandida Sripadambuja Marali mandagamana Mahalavanya Shevatihi.
Tamam, dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Vishalakshi Bhagini. I've unmuted you.
Namaste, ma'am.
19th verse. Namaste. 19th verse.
नखदीदिति सञ्चन्न नमज्जनतमो गुणा पदद्वयप्रभाजालपराकृतसरोरुहा.
Tamam, dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादः.
Manjunath H. Mahodaya, 18th verse. I've unmuted you. Okay, I'll move to the next person. Shriram AR.
Namaskaram, Mata.
Namaskaram.
18th one.
18th, yes.
इन्द्रगोपपरिक्षिप्तस्मरतूणा भजङ्घिका गूढगुल्फा कूर्मपृष्ठजयिष्णुप्रपदान्विता.
Tamam, dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Manjunath Mahodaya, I have unmuted you. And here I'll move to the next person. Jayasudha. Jayasudha.
Ram, ma'am.
Ram. 17th verse, Bhagini.
17th. Can you chant once for me, ma'am?
Sure. Kamesha सौभाग्यमार्तवोरुद्वयान्विता. I will split and chant. You can chant after me. Kamesha सौभाग्य.
कामेशज्ञान्तसौभाग्य
कामेशज्ञातसौभाग्य
कामेशज्ञान्तसौभाग्य
मार्दवोरुद्वयान्विता. मार्दवोरुद्वयान्विता. Not able to hear you. Okay, Jayasudha Bhagini, we are not able to hear you.
Oh, ma'am, just power cut, ma'am. Just power cut. I've just put my
Okay.
mobile data. Sorry, ma'am.
Oh,
Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah. So you can chant from here. Mardavoruddvayanvita.
मार्तवोरुद्वयान्विता
Manikyamukutakara.
माणिक्यमुगुडाकार
Mukutakara.
मुकुटाकार
Janudvaya virajita.
जानुद्वय विराजिता
उत्तमं धन्यवादाः लक्ष्मी सम्पत् भगिनी 16th verse
कामेश ज्ञात सौभाग्यमार्दभोरुद्वयान्विता माणिक्य मुकुटाकार जानुद्वय विराजिता
धन्यवादाः सुब्रमण्यन कृष्णन महोदया 17th verse सुब्रमण्यन कृष्णन महोदया सतीश कुमार yes
Subramanian, can I?
yes please yes you can
17th
chant
verse, right?
once again there's some issue with my slide, it's not moving. I wanted you to chant 16th verse actually. Yeah, it's
Okay.
Aruna yes.
अरुणारुणकौसुम्भवस्त्रभास्वत्कटीतटी रत्नकिङ्किणिका रम्यरशनादामभूषिता.
तमाम धन्यवादाः महोदय सतीश कुमार महोदय 15th verse सतीश कुमार महोदय
I'm audible, madam.
yes now you are audible 15th
Namaskara,
verse
Mahoday.
Namaskaram
Lakshya Romalatadhara Tasamunnaya Madhyama Stana Baradalan Madhya Patta Bandhavalitraya.
धन्यवादाः उज्ज्वल तेलांग 14th verse
कामेश्वर प्रेम रत्नमणि प्रतिपणस्तनी नाभ्यालवाल रोमालि लता फलकुचद्वयी
धन्यवादाः we'll stop here
धन्यवादः।
let me do the mangalam सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते प्रणाम्स to everyone पुनर्मिलामः